All podcasters are talking about there's no hip hop song that's in the top 40 charts in like 30 years. But they don't understand why. I would much rather see the end of hip hop and a revival for Christ in the hearts of the urban community. And rap has fallen because hearts have fallen. And when that happens, things begin to happen as a wake-up call. I believe that for many people, even old heads, hip hop has become an idol, a golden calf. And the top rappers, Playboy Cardi, NBA Youngboy, all the young heads, they are cult personalities, Christless, godless, and without direction. And as great as Kendrick is, he told us he is not hip-hop savior. Christ is, and I believe that I personally believe, and you know I'm different. People tired of the fake, hip-hop shedding its skin, God's making room for truth.
Did you or did you not burn down hip-hop?
I did not.
Yeah. You know, I used to love her. Common, I hope you feel this. Yeah, I met this girl when I was 12 years old. And what I loved about her, she had so much soul. She was always G'd up when I was just a shorty. Never knew throughout my life she would be there for me on the regular. Not a church girl, she was secular. Not about the money, no studs was Mike checking her. But I respected her, cause she hit me in the heart. A few down south figures, they did her in the park like Jeezy, Wheezy, Rose and Drake. They got her off the syrup and then she got raped. And then she got draped in some bling and some ice. And they said it was alright, cause now her name's in lights. But now I'm about to fight these packer swagger jackers for taking a fly queen and turning her to a maggot. I ain't about to have it, cause what they did was shrill. Cause I used to love her still. Yeah, I remember back in the day how we used to put on our favorite songs and zone out, you know what I'm saying? We could relate to it. But now, turn on the radio and it's like I don't want it no more. But I believe that's you.
Or did you not burn down hip-hop?
I did not.
I'm finding you guilty.